Hey guys, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll share with you how I have drawn the outline drawing of Ram Mandir. I have already shared the illustration painting video using poster color on my YouTube channel, and I have also linked that video in the description. If you haven't watched it, go click and watch the video. You have already seen that I have marked the midpoint of the page by drawing two diagonals, and through this point I have drawn two lines, one horizontal and one vertical. And through these lines I'll draw the whole picture of Ram Mandir. These lines are the basic structures of my drawing. So on these structural lines I'll draw the basic structure of Ram Mandir by lightly sketching the architectural boundaries of the mandir, and then I'll move on designing the detailed elements of the Ram Mandir. As we trace the contours of the Ram Mandir, let's pay homage to its timeless beauty and spiritual significance. Each line drawn is a tribute to the divine presence of Ram Mandir and the devotion of millions who hold this sacred site in their hearts. With each stroke of the pencil, we breathe into the outline of the Ram Mandir, capturing its magnificence and splendor on paper. So, I'm taking my time to draw each and every detailed structure of the architectural elements of Ram Mandir, and this process is very much meditative and needs a lot of patience because there are a lot of tiny details on the structure of the walls and the pillars of Ram Mandir. So I suggest you to take your time, pause the video and draw each and every part very intricately and pay attention to how I'm drawing exactly. And you can easily draw on your own. And if you recreate my artworks, please share them in my Instagram DM. The link is there in the description, and I would love to watch them. Also, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please keep watching this video till end so that you get to see the final results.